Hello friends, welcome to our channel Yoga for Well-being. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Diabetes is a complex condition which occurs due to lack of insulin production by the pancreas or lack of cell response to insulin, which results in metabolic imbalances involving the regulation and utilization of insulin and glucose in the body. The major factors for diabetes are sedimentary lifestyle, overweight, gestational diabetes, genetic factors, hereditary, stress, physically inactive, high blood pressure, cholesterol, PCOS, and alcoholic intake. A few yogasanas balance the functioning of endocrine system. It massages and tones the abdominal organs like pancreas, liver, and stimulate the nervous and circulatory system, which in turn helps in controlling diabetes. Now let us see the asanas which are helpful for diabetes.
Mandukasana or frog pose. Sit down in Vajrasana. Make a fist with the thumbs inside. Place your fist on either side of the navel in such a way that sides of your index fingers touch the navel position. Inhale and exhaling, lean forward from your waist till your chest touches the thighs. Exert light pressure on the abdomen with your fist and look upward. Stay in this position for 15 to 20 seconds with normal breathing. Now inhaling, gently come back to Vajrasana. Repeat it for 3 to 5 rounds. Shashankasana or child's pose. Sit down in Vajrasana. Inhale and raise the arms straight above the head. Now exhaling, slowly bend the trunk forward from the hips, keeping the arms and head straight on the floor in front of the knees. Retain the posture and breath up to 5 seconds. Then slowly inhale and raise the arms and trunk to the vertical position. Breathe out to lower the hands to the knees. Practice 3 to 5 rounds. Vakrasana or half spinal twist. Sit down with your legs straight and stretched in front of you. Now bend your right leg and lift it. Place on the left side of your stretched left foot. Stretch your arms to the sides to the shoulder level and twist your trunk, head as far to the right side. Place your right hand behind your back and left arm over the right knee and try to hold your right ankle. Hold this posture for few seconds. Now repeat the same action with the left side. Practice 3 to 5 rounds on each side. Gomukhasana or cow's face pose. Sit in Dhyana Virasana by bending both the legs. Place the left leg underneath the right leg so that the left heel is touching the right buttock and right heel touching the left buttock. The right knee is above the left knee. Now stretch the right arm above your head and bend the elbow simultaneously. Bring the left arm behind your back and interlock both the hands. Stay in this position as long as you are comfortable. Now slowly exhale and release your arms. Uncross your legs and repeat the same action for the other leg. Practice for 2 to 10 minutes.
Bhujangasana or cobra pose. Lie down flat on the stomach with both the legs straight and close to each other and toes flat. Place your palms of the hands under your shoulders, keeping your elbows parallel and close to your torso. Rest the forehead on the floor. Taking a deep breath in, slowly lift your head, chest and abdomen while keeping your navel on the floor. Pull your torso back and off the floor with the support of your hands and try to straighten your arms. Hold this posture and breath for 3 to 5 seconds. Now breathing out, gently bring your abdomen, chest and head back to the floor. Practice up to 5 rounds. Dhanurasana or Bose pose. Bend the knees and bring heels close to the buttocks and clasp the hands around the ankles and place the chin on the floor. This is the starting position. Breathe in and lift your chest off the ground and pull your legs up and stretch it out. Hold the pose and breath for few seconds. Slowly breathing out, bring your chest and legs back to the ground. Release your hold on the ankles and relax with your hands on the side. Besides practicing these asanas, pranayam is also an essential part of yoga to relieve stress naturally. And also meditation is a fantastic complement to yoga. It has wonderful healing effects on both the body and mind, calms the nervous system and deals with stressful disorders. Thank you for watching this video and keep watching our upcoming videos of Yoga for Well-being.